pergola job. This hopefully will be the last day. What we got here? This is our textile. Picked up these yesterday, some stainless steel washers. $14.49 for a box of 100. That's a good deal, by the way. And here's a I gave him a spec, so it should fit. Let's see what Bob's doing. Seems to do a good job.
Yeah. I like it better in the drill press, but it's okay. You can do it in the field too, so that's good.
Yeah. Pop out with a little punch. Pretty easy. We're like 5 short. That's it. It's gotta be fun doing it with the gloves on.
Oh yeah, man. Getting it done now.
Whoa, man, that one almost fit right in there.
Yeah.
So these plugs we cut out of same material as the cedar. Get the grain match to kind of close.
Trying to. My dexterity's a little off.
Yeah, it's 28 degrees out here.
Yeah. I'll still look.
Oh, they look great.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Nice touch.
Yep, a little bit of dark wood glue in there. Boom. Yeah, they don't want to. Yeah, it's hard for your hands to get in there. Oh, look at that. Ooh.
I don't want to take it too far, because that way.
Yeah, we want to be able to.
Yeah.
Yep. Next one. Still got a little bit of wood glue. Got some Vesco going on. Tight bond, wood plugs. Off to the 3rd post. It goes fairly quick. We haven't chiseled anything. Get them all in the other piece. I'll come back and chisel them. There it is. Yeah. You guys know if you're watching this, it's 28 degrees. Like it's tough to hold the parts and. Method for that.
There.
Why are we doing that?
Well, we're doing this to.
So people understand what you're doing.
The plugs will go in better.
Sort of reaming out the whole little.
Yeah, just kind of. Because since we've been here, wood has shrunk a little bit with the weather.
Yeah, got a lot of rain
and the moisture.
Yeah.
So we're just kind of burnishing the
What
whole.
is that? What's the diameter on that? What's the diameter on that? Is that like a 3/8?
It's about a 1/2 inch.
Yeah. So 1/2 inch outside, it's a 3/8 nut driver. I guess you could put it on the drill if you want, but it just
Well.
spin out a little, so we just hand do it. Bringing back the art of the hand.
Yeah, see,
Yeah, there it is. That's good.
nice little wiggle. That's the burnishing. Now little glue applicator.
Yeah. So all these plugs we pre-drilled in the shop, so they fit. They've been seasoned. They're like a month old. We don't want to put too much glue because it'll ooze out. We'll try to keep the color the same. You can see there on the hole, that's a mixed green. That's not CVG on that part. I don't think where we live we can get a 100% CVG post, but these are very nice. Yeah, the trick is getting it to start, and then you can hammer it in. Let's see how this one goes. Yeah, it's like a 16 per hour. That's pretty good. Make it nice to get the nice sharp chisel. Okay, I got 5 more to go. This one was a test one to make sure that what we were doing was appropriate. And I'm working on up here, setting the corbels, setting the blocking for the corbels right there. Got a little 2x6 in there. Move my ladder and show you what I'm doing. Get my batteries here, my drill. So you can see right here I've already preset. I'm just doing it by eye. I'm not really getting a tape out, but I've got this little shadow line up there, probably 3/8 of an inch. And I'm just doing 2 screws right through there. I gotta put 1 more right there. So I got 2 there. We're just going flush here. I'm not doing anything. No countersinking going on. So basically I'll just countersink this in a little bit. What you want to do is you don't want to countersink the full diameter of the head. You want to be a little under that. And basically I'm just reading the grain right here and pulling across. And that looks good to me. So you want to be in that much. You don't want to be in any farther than that because the head will recess the rest of the countersink. Just using some 3 1/8 number 9 GRKs. Hands are a little bit cold. And then just let me get my driver here. One thing to note when you're drilling like this, make sure you go slow and don't put too much pressure on to where your bit will come in here and poke that wood like that, because there's no way to fix it. You might be able to get out of iron, but just go slow. So that's all the more we want right there. Maybe like a 30-second in there. Make sure also you keep your drill in the screw and follow it in. Don't try to because you could bounce out with the impact. So that's that one. I got 1 more here, and I'll bounce over, do 2 more. And the same thing goes here. 2 screws right there, just like I got down there. And then basically all I do is I just line of sight. Basically the gap difference from right there to here. Got it preset pretty good. Just 1 screw here. These are just GRK RSS's 4-inch. Just 1. corbels aren't structural. And then I just look up in there to make sure I like what I got. Move it accordingly. Then go ahead and countersink. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 more to go, and then we'll be on to the shadecloth. So that's what we got going on today. I'm really hoping the shadecloth fits. All right, here we are putting the shadecloth on, and company we got it from, I specified 16 on center, and it's like 15 3/4 to 7/8. So that accumulative over 12 holes throws it off a little. So here we go. I have to deal with it. Yep. Part of being in the construction industry. I guess you have to fly out and go to the factories every time you want something done. Huh?
Yeah.
I guess start your first hole then.
Yeah, go out there and...
Bob?
Huh?
Start your first one then. The one that's, what, 15 inches right here?
Oh, from the stairway?
Yeah, start that one and then we'll stretch it over. Otherwise, if you pull it too tight, it's gonna be off.
Yeah, tweak our corner.
Well, you need some screws, don't you?
Huh?
Probably need a screw, huh?
Yeah, probably.
Mine lines up the rest of the way.
Okay.
Pretty good. Probably need a screw and a washer. Huh?
Yeah, I will.
There you go. Or not.
Okay.
You got a drill?
Yeah, I got the drill. Yeah.
You might have to like drill it and then pull it out and cut it with your nips. Because it's too long on the end now. Unless you got more meat than I do.
No, I don't.
Okay, well that's tough to do. But it works. Yeah, mine are mostly in the center right now. The bones are good, man.